पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी जाता खरी, मात शाराचो कोयऱ्या विलोचो प्रश्न जाय तसो सुटना. एक तर कोयर खूब, तातूंत लोक कोयर सेग्रिगेट करिना. CCP मुखार मोठो प्रश्न आशिल्लो, मात आतां CCPन एक नवो प्रयोग सुरू केला. 2 सॉर्टिंग स्टेशनां केल्या. ती प्रायव्हेट स्टार्टअपा खाला काम करतात. वेगवेगळे रिसायकल वेस्ट वेगळी करता. CCP खंय ते विकती घेता आनी पयशे दिता. करंजळ आनी दोनापावला ही 2 सॉर्टिंग सेंटरां.
हम वार्ड नंबर 1 to 5 यहाँ वेस्ट आते हैं डेली मॉर्निंग में और बाय मैनुअली सेग्रीगेट करते हैं. हमारे वेस्ट वॉरियर बोल सकते हैं उनको. तो वो मैनुअली सेग्रीगेट करते हैं इनटू 32 मोर देन 32 फ्रैक्शंस में. CCP ने बहुत अच्छा एक मॉडल इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, वो परचेज मॉडल है. परचेज मॉडल में क्या होता है कि इंडिविजुअली लोग जो भी लोग हैं पर्सन टू पर्सन, वो हमारे यहाँ सेंटर पे आते हैं और वेस्ट लेके आते हैं सेग्रीगेट करके घर से, और यहाँ वेट करते हैं. हम लोग उनको इंसेंटिवाइज करते हैं उस मटेरियल के बिहाफ पे. हमारा एक पूरा रेट लिस्ट है.
काही सोसायटींनी हो प्रयोग आपणायला, थंयूय तो बरेपैकी चल्ला.
It's a wonderful this, because earlier there was no, you imagine this 14 or something segregation point items where we are dumping in one place. What a relief we have got. But plus economically we get money out of this. Everything is priced, very nicely priced. We have been told about it, which item will go for which. There is a collection center. Municipality, the corporation pays us whatever is.
आयुक्त क्लॅन मदेर म्हणटा, CCPन तशी डायरेक्ट येणावळ ना, मात खाजगी एजन्सीक दिल्ल्यान CCPचो कामगार वाडोवपाचो खर्च वाचलो.
People can come with their recyclable waste, deposit there, they are paid for that, like on per kilo basis. So, and similar way at this thing, at MRF side and KTC side. So people can go there and deposit their waste and get paid on per kilo basis. Now suppose somebody doesn't want to do this. There are many people who don't want to, like for 1-2 kilos get paid 10-15 rupees or 20 rupees or 30 rupees or whatever. These people can go to select shops. We have around 13 shops which have come on board, where people can deposit this waste and then purchase anything of that equivalent amount. So since this thing is going on, it is helping us in financial terms also, because more workers would have meant a higher wage bill for the corporation. So that we have succeeded in avoiding any further financial stress on the corporation. It also helps keep the city clean also, because people are not dumping their waste. They are coming forward. They are either depositing at our sorting stations or in the shops or in their own societies where there is a 16-way segregation system. Is helping to keep Panaji city clean, and also helping us in our mission of being a real zero waste corporation.
बाटली पत्रे म्हूण भोंवपी भंगारवाल्यांचोच मॉडेल, मात पद्दतशीर चालीक लावपाचो म्हापालिकेचो यत्न. प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.